Hello everyone. Myself Prashant Shanbag. I'm from Identity Advanced Cloud Engineering team here in Microsoft. Today we're going to discuss about how to add local admins into devices local administrator group using Intune. This video will be a quick demonstration on how to achieve that. Let's start with a scenario wherein you have a Azure AD join device enrolled into Intune and you got a requirement to add a group of IT admins into local administrator group of Azure AD join devices. This is my test Azure AD join device, which is currently enrolled into Intune. Let's see how many IDs are currently reflecting in my local administrator group. For that, I'll right click on my start menu, click on run, type local user management. In local user management, I'll click on groups and double click on administrators. Here you can see three IDs. Couple of them are built-in administrator account, and the other ID is the one which I'm currently logged in with. Now we will try to create a policy which will push the group of IT admins using Intune. So now let's log in into Intune portal. So this is the homepage of Intune portal, which we also call it as Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center. In the left hand side, click on Endpoint Security. Once you click on Endpoint Security under Manage section, click on Account Protection. Let's create a policy. Under Platform, you can select Windows 10 and later. Profile, you can select as Local User Group Membership. Click on Create. Give a name to this policy. Click on Next. Here in Local Group column, you will find other built-in groups as well, like users, remote desktop users, guests, etc. But to stay with current example, let's stick to administrators. In group and user action column, again, you will find three different options: add, remove, and replace. Add option is used when you want to add any users or a security group into local administrator group. Remove option is used when you want to remove any existing user account or a security group from local administrator group. Likewise, the replace option is used when you want to replace any existing user account with a different user account or a different security group into local administrator group. To go with the current example, we'll select add option. User selection type, you can keep it users and group. So let's target a security group here. Group can be an on-premises security group which is synchronized to Azure Active Directory or a cloud security group as well. Click on select. Click on next. Nothing to add under scope, so just click on next. Under assignment, we can target to a security group, or if the requirement says to target all users or devices of the tenant, then we can select either of these options. So let's click on all devices. Click on next. Just review the settings which you have configured and click on create. As you can see, the policy is created. Now we can move into our test Azure AD join device and see whether it is reflecting or not. So now let's see whether the policy which we created in Intune is reflecting in this machine or not. For that, I need to sync this device first. I'll click on Start menu, go to Settings, click on Accounts, click on Access Work or School, click on Info, click on Sync. As you can see, the sync is completed now. Let's see whether it is reflecting in local user management console. Click on groups, go to administrators. There you go. You can see the security identifier of the group which we have added in the endpoint security policy. So this is how you can implement the requirement. I hope you find this video quite helpful. Thank you for watching.